Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. This casting is by Matchbox. It's not a new casting but a re-release, a newer color. So earlier I think I had a black one. This one looked really nice, so I had to get one. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Mitsubishi 3000 GT out of its box, and first thing first, it's finished in white with these nice looking multi-spoke silver wheels, which is very common on a lot of main lines. Let's go to the front. So in the front you got nice details. As you can see, the headlamps, which are made of that plastic acrylic material, which actually looks good. You got the Mitsubishi badge, turn indicators, again nice details, and the lower grille, which is finished in black. You also get both the windshield wipers, the nozzle for your washer fluid, and both the mirrors. So good detail up front. Back to the driver side, it's 90s sport car, so you got mix of curves and straight lines. You can see the body is very curvy, but you can see the straight line going from front to back. You also got small vents here. It's not for the engine. I think it might be for the cooling or brakes because it's front engined. A door handle, very unique, don't see that on many cars, and a big glass finishing the coupe roofline. Now from the side you can see there is a spoiler, so let's go to the back. From the back you got a not integrated but a small spoiler. You got tail lamps which are detailed, painted nicely with turn indicators and reversing lamps, and you also got a badge which reads 3000 GT, place for number plate, and also got a windshield wiper in the back. It is such a huge glass, I guess that's why. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. The only difference I can see is the fuel filler cap. I did forget to mention the exhaust. You can see it has got quad exhaust at the bottom. Interior is finished in beige. You can see the interior from here. It's got two seats in the front normally and a dash which is very driver oriented, and this is how it looks from the bottom. As you can see, it's 2021 metal. So overall I think it's a very nice looking casting, and for a main line it's very nicely detailed, especially when you see the front and the rear. Would I change anything? Maybe wheels, maybe get those different ones, 5-spoke ones, or this one's in different color, I guess. But apart from that, it looks like a very nice casting. It looks really good. It's got great details, and I think you're gonna like it.